What's up guys, Alec here with Veed, and today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically add subtitles to your videos with iMovie. So if you're familiar with iMovie, there's only one real way that you can actually add subtitles to your videos. So let's just say if I click and drag my clip onto the channel, then to add subtitles, what most people do is they go into titles, we find a lower third one, so we just click and drag, and then we would play it back.
It's a test video, and let's just say.
And then basically what we would do is we would manually type out for this lower third the subtitles that we want to add to the video. Now the problem with this is that you have to manually type it out, and it takes a lot of time to add subtitles to your videos, and you have to style each and every single subtitle. So what I'm going to be showing you now is actually how to add the subtitles automatically. So to do this, what we're going to do is actually remove the lower third, and we're just going to edit our video in iMovie until we are completely happy with it minus the subtitles. Everything is finished, the only thing left now is to add the subtitles. And then what we're going to be doing is heading over to Google and searching for a tool called Veed. So if we just type in Veed right here, and then it's the first link that shows up in Google, veed.io, create, edit and share videos online for free. So we just click on this right here. We're then going to create a new project, and in this new project we're going to basically import the video that we have just exported from iMovie. We're going to have the finished video that we have in iMovie. To do this, we just click on the upload video button, browse around your computer, and then just open up the video that you exported from iMovie. Now the video is being imported into Veed's project editor, and we can see in the top right the progress of the upload. Once it's finished uploading, we're just going to head over to the subtitles tab, and in this subtitles tab we're going to click on auto subtitle. Now we're going to choose the language that we're speaking in this video. Obviously in this video we're speaking English, so I'm just going to select English and then click on start. Now what Veed is doing is basically taking all the audio from your video and transcribing that audio into text and turning this text into subtitles. So as we can see, it's just finished right now, and at the bottom, if we play the video back.
Alright. Okay, so this is a test video, and let's just say this is a podcast, and I'm trying to add.
As you can see, the subtitles now appearing at the bottom of the screen. And the best thing about this is if I click on style, I can then style the subtitles to the way I want. So here I could potentially choose the yellow ones, I could choose these white ones with a backdrop, or I can completely customize the colors and also make them italic and bold, change the font size, change the actual font. If I want, I also have the option to go and capitalize my subtitles, so now they are bigger and more readable. Also, if there's a few mistakes, I can quickly just go in and out and remove and change my subtitles, and also the times by clicking on the stopwatches here, or manually inputting them if you want to. However, they should be synced up with your audio already. And now, once you're happy with the subtitles, all you have to do is just click on download, and then Veed will start exporting your video with the subtitles hard-coded onto it. Or if you want, you can download your subtitles as a separate SRT file, for example, if you're uploading the video to YouTube. That being said, that is how you automatically add subtitles to your iMovie video projects. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. That being said, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.